Hey guys, welcome back. Today in this short and easy tutorial, we're gonna be talking about how to make a pan gesture recognizer to drag an image inside screen. So before we start our new project, I would like to show you how gonna be our output from this video. So you will see, you will have an app that let you to drag an image inside your screen. So you just need to tap and keep tapping and moving your item or image inside the screen. Okay, let's go and start our project. So file, new project. So we choose as usual single view app and we name it iOS Swift Pan Gesture and name it 01 as well. Okay, so we click on next and then create. I check mark respiratory to be able to commit it inside GitHub for you folks, and you can find source code in your in link below the video inside the comments. Okay, so after we made our project, we will go to main storyboard, and inside main storyboard we need to drag an image. View from our panel to here. I make image a little bit customized. Okay, so and then this video is pretty easy, so I just add something extra for you guys to figure out how you can make auto layout your image as well. So I push control and drag inside of this image to inside of it again, and then I choose aspect ratio. And what this do for me, it's add one ratio that tell to this image that as much we have our let me show you exactly what is it. So as much we have within our for our image, and we have in multiple 40/57, keep it with high. So this is how gonna be. So when we use different devices with different size, then it will be effect on this image, but not yet. So we need to control drag from inside of image to our actually screen. So then we can say equal high. So it's add for us another constraint that tell to the image that keep your high equal multiple one that super view highs, which is our screen, but I don't want that, so I say okay, keep it half of your super view. Okay, so we have this, and when we say okay, I choose this image and I say I want to be central horizontally and vertically, then we have everything affected. So this image high will be half of the full image, and so if I rotate my device, you will see that is effect on the image. I will show you. Okay, if you don't want to be complicated, you can disregard this part. Only drag your image and then go choose your image and go to attribute tab and select image. Okay, we don't have image yet, so I go to assets and I go to finder. I have one image already. I drag that image inside here, so it will make a copy of that. It's an tower in Paris, Eiffel. So I'll come back here in my main storyboard and I choose my image and I say okay, image will be this one. Okay, so we have now this image. Okay, now we start our working on our pen, actually UI pen gesture recognizer. So what I need to do, I go to actually I call assistant editor, then I can choose this image and control drag from that image here, or I can directly from this left panel from this image control drag here, and I name it view pen, or let me make it ViewDrag. So it will create UI view image by the name of ViewDrag. Okay, I can close my assistant editor, then I'll go to view controller and I start to add my coding. So I need a variable. I name it pen gesture, and I say this is equal UI pen gesture recognizer to, and parentheses open and close. Okay, now I can go inside. Actually I need to add a function. I don't need this function here, so I delete this one and I start a function. This function, I name it so function dragged view, and I say open parentheses underline sender dot double dot and UI pen gesture recognizer and open brackets and close. Okay, you may say, why do you put this? I just put this underline here, then when I call this function I don't need to write down the parameter name. So if I don't put this, then I have to mention sender inside when I'm calling that function. So here I just said okay, self view, so bring subview to front view drag. Okay, and then I create a constant by the name of translation equal sender dot translation in self dot view. Okay, and I just need to call view drag dot center. So center of my view drag, I just get CGPoint. I just get CGPoint of center of my view, and I need X, Y for that. So from type of CG float. So X gonna be view drag dot center dot X plus translation dot X. Okay, and Y, I say okay, my Y should be again sender, no sorry, again it should be view drag dot center dot Y plus translation dot Y. Okay, so center of this I say should be, I want to be this, and then sender dot set translation, so translation CG again point, sorry, CGPoint dot 0, and that one inside self dot view. Okay, yeah, self dot view. So I have my function, DragView function ready. So I just need to go to my ViewDid controller, and inside ViewDid controller I say okay, pan gesture, we just declare that variable on top. So this one equal UI pan gesture recognizer, and target will be self and action on selector. Okay, so select number sign select tour actually, and parenthesis open and close. So I say view controller dot, oh, not this one, I want to call my function, so drag so I say drag it view and parenthesis open and close underline double dots. Yeah, we should be fine now. Okay, so here now we get one error. So this is says that Yeah, I mistype it, so oh yeah, you know what, I mistyped this function, so that's why it didn't bring it for me. Okay, so this is the first error, but there is another one that say here because of Objective-C format we need to use @object in front of our function. So argument of selector refers to instance method that is not exposed to Objective-C, so I just fixed click on fix here and it will add for me that function here. But also I got this error, so let me see what's wrong. So value of UI view has no member of center. Okay, so ViewDrag, again mistype. Okay, so we almost done. So let me run project. So this is the old app was running before, so it will close this one and open the new one over it. And first of all we will have one blank screen, which is our launch screen, storyboard. You can put in there something if you like for your app, just if you don't want to see blank screen for a while. Okay, and so let's just review what we did until this loading. So what we did, we made a function. In this function we have a sender which send UIPanGestureRecognizer, and from this sender we find out new point that we want. We dragging actually our image, and then we call this one when we detect one pan gesture, which means dragging gesture recognizer, and then you will see that I just need to drag my image. When I choose it, I can drag it wherever I want. Okay, let's bring it here. Yeah, it's not moving, so let's double check if anything is wrong. Maybe I missed something. Oh my god, so let's come back here and see if anything missed. Yes, I missed to add here that view drag that is user interface interaction enabled. It should be true. Then I can interact with this one. Also view drag, sorry, dot, I need to add gesture recognizer here as well. So I here I just add one gesture recognizer, and here I just call my pan gesture. Okay, so let's stop the old one and run this one again and see what will be the results. Oh, I should be a small letter. Okay, stop and again. Also, I need to say that this is the video from a series of video about gesture recognizer, and we have 5 more. This is the about the pen. We have others like pinch and also rotate, tap, and line tap as well, which we will go over all of them in separate tutorials. So yeah, this is the blank screen I was talking about, launch screen storyboard, and after a few seconds we will go over our main storyboard. Also, as I add auto layout, so screen actually image size, image height will be depend of the device height. So if you use, for example, a tablet, it will be bigger. If you use smaller smaller device, it will be smaller. Yeah, here you go, and now I can move it. Yes, here you go. You'll see that now it interact with it, and also I add gesture recognizer, so I can move it. So also I want to show you, okay, when I rotate my device, this size of this image will change. So my simulator is a little bit slow, that's why I have to wait until it reacts to my here we go. And here I can move it. You will see image is smaller because it's depend of height in the device. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you liked the video. If you like it, please give it thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe for more videos coming every day. And if you have any question, please ask in comments. I will be more than happy to help, and have a good one. Bye bye.